पेडणेच्या बोगद्यात राती 3 वरांचेर परतून चिखल भरलो। ताका लागून कोकण रेल्वे मार्गावयल्यो वंदे भारत जनशताब्दी मांडवी सावंतवाडी ते दिवा आणि मुंबई मंगळुरू गाडयो तात्पुरत्यो रद्द केल्यात। मजगती प्रवाशांची गैरसोय जावची न्ही हाचे खातीर कोकण रेल्वेन हेल्पलायन नंबर जारी केला। कसलेय मजती खातीर 0832270680 या नंबराचेर फोन करचो अशें कोकण रेल्वेन कळीत केला।
On date 9th July at around 2:30 p.m. our tunnel watchman observed that there is a water clogging inside Pernam Tunnel, and because of this, all trains were stopped at respective stations, and traffic was a bit disrupted. Immediately, our engineering officials they have reached the site, and the situation was in control. And by night 10:30. 10:15, the track was restored and train services started. We passed few of the trains, but however, again in the morning, today 3 o'clock, again lots of water was oozing out inside the Pernam Tunnel. Hence, Konkan Railway has decided to cancel some train and divert some of the trains via other routes. Some of the trains which have been cancelled are CSMT Madgaon Vande Bharat Express, CSMT Madgaon Janashatabdi Express, CSMT Madgaon Mandavi Express, then CSMT Mangalore Junction Express, then Madgaon CSMT Mandavi Express, then Madgaon Sawantwadi Diva passenger, then Madgaon CSMT Tejas Express, Madgaon CSMT Janashatabdi Express, then Sawantwadi Diva passenger. All these trains have been cancelled. Then I can name some of the trains which have been diverted, like train 19577 Tirunelveli Jamnagar Express. This train in fact is at Kumta. This train will be backed up to Mangalore and then again diverted via Shornur, Guntakal, Wadi, Pune, Lonavala, Panvel, and then it will take its original route. Likewise, on the same route, this train 16336 Nagarkal Gandhidham 12283, then 22655 Ernakulam Nizamuddin. All these trains will be backed till Mangalore, and then they will take this same diverted route. Then train number 16346 of which was supposed to leave yesterday from Trivandrum. It's already diverted via Shornur, Erode, Kuntakal, Wadi, Solapur, Pune, Lonavala, Panvel. Likewise, 12618 of yesterday, which was supposed to leave yesterday, has been diverted via Panvel, Pune, Miraj, Londa, and Madgaon, and then it will take its normal route. Our engineering officials, including our chairman and managing director, Sri Santosh Kumar Jha, he is at the site personally supervising all the restoration activity. We are expecting restoration to be completed by today evening. However, it depends entirely depends on the rain. Since Pernam has been receiving heavy rainfall for last 2-3 days.